Hello and welcome to our channel. Mistral AI has launched a new model called Magistral, and this is an reasoning model excelling in domain specific, transparent, and multilingual reasoning. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install it on locally. In this tutorial, we are going to use this model and run it on Ollama. This model is available in 24 billion parameter, which we are going to run it on our local system, and it is 14 GB in size. And another model is Magistral 24B small 2506-Q80, which is 25 GB, and there is another model which is 47 GB. The key feature of this model is reasoning, capable of long chains of reasoning traces before providing an answer. This model is multilingual, which supports dozens of languages including English, French, German, Greek, Hindi, Indonesian, and so on. This model is released under Apache 2.0 license. This is an open source license allowing usage and modification for both commercial and non-commercial purposes. Context window: a 128K context window, but performance might degrade past 40K. Hence, recommended setting the maximum model length to 40K. This is the link to the magistral paper which you can read, and the blog post is here. To run this model using Ollama, you need the Ollama pre-installed. I'm going to run the 14 billion parameter, so I will run the command Ollama run Magistral 24B. Ollama is already installed, and you can see the version is 0.9.0. So let's copy the command and run it. Ollama run Magistral 24B. This model is of 14 GB size, so it will take some time on your Mac computer. I will wait and come back again once the model is downloaded and loaded into the memory. Magistral 24 billion model is loaded successfully. Now I will write a prompt. Write a Python program that displays multiple balls bouncing inside multiple spinning polygons with collisions against the borders. Each ball should have a different color and each polygon should have a different number of sides. The balls should be affected by the gravity and frictions. Generate me pip install commands to install all required libraries to run the program. So let's ask this question. This is a reasoning model, that's why it is thinking. Let's wait for the program to complete. Model has generated the code. I have copied this code into a Python file, and this is the Python file here. Now I'm going to run this code into the terminal. So in this code, it is throwing some error. So in my test, it failed to generate the error-free code. But the code is good. If we can debug it and fix it, then it will be a final code. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.